Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, today we got a few awesome watch faces for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And let's go ahead, let's kick this off and start off with number one. Now number one is called Gear S3 Elf23. Now what I'm liking about this watch face is it's a really nice look. Now it is not interactive or anything like that, but what you do get is a nice look, right? And a unique way to look at your information. Now, if you look right here down at the bottom, that's going to represent your steps. At the top where it says date, that's going to represent your date over there at the top as well. Now, over here where it says HRM, that's your heart rate monitor on top of the step. Same thing for your date right here. And you also get animated seconds. Now, this is in 24 hours, as you can see. I'm still thinking this is definitely a nice look. You got a nice meter over here for your minutes. I'm telling you guys, for free, this one cannot be beat. Check this one out in the Gear Manager. Watch face number two, people. This one is nice. This one is called Gear New Generation. Very nice looking watch face. Yes, it's a yellow, but it could tie into a nice blue beautifully. Now, with this watch face in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get what you got. When it was on, it's just going to be dimmed down just a tad. Not too much either, right? But still, not a bad look. Now, let's take a look at the watch face, right? Now, it's an analog watch face / digital, but the hands of the watch face looks very nice. You get a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. But if you come down, I like that little box that gives you your information of your digital time, so you get the best of both worlds, and you also get your date information, which I thought was very nice. Now, you also get your info on your steps, battery, and what I like about this free watch face is that it is interactive. So I can single tap, and I can go ahead and go into my battery and get that info just as well. So I like what the developer brought to the table, especially for a free watch face, right, that has these type of functions. Very nice look. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number three, people. Watch face number three. Now listen, this one here is the cream of the crop. I've been trying to bring you the best of the best all day, and I think I've knocked it out of the park with this one. The name of this watch face is called Modern Wood. Now you gotta have style when you got your Gear S3 or your Galaxy watch on, when you get the Galaxy watch, and you gotta look good. Now this is gonna cover all bases for whether you're dressing up in this watch face and or you're dressing down. This one here is very nice, very unique. Now in always on mode, it looks just as nice. It's dimmed down nice. You're gonna get an analog look, not bad at all. But when the watch face is on, here's where a touch of class just starts to show its colors, right? Now I like this watch face because I like the design. If you take a look at the background, that shows elegance right there, right? Very nicely laid out, and I'm liking what's going on around the index, right? Also right here, you got information on your battery level, and you also got your date, and you got like a little second hand right there. The best in analog, in my opinion, right? Now what's nice about this one, right? I could tap right here, double tap, and cut it back on, and I could change the color. Very nice. Has a few colors and all that you can change to. You see how good this look, depending on what you put on, depending on where you're going for the day, whether it be casual or dressy. This watch face is definitely going to cover it, people. Listen, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download this one and the other two. All right, you all, have a great day. We're getting you ready for the weekend, so look out for some more awesome watch faces coming to you tomorrow.